FITUEYES wood printer stands with drawer workspace desk organizers for home and office. Black DO 304002 WB. Multi-purpose, this stand contains one drawer and two open storage spaces. Large bottom drawer holds larger items like scissors, pencils, tools, and more. Durable and stable, strong structure and strong bearing capacity. This wood file organizer is strong enough to put a printer or monitor on top of it and use stackable. Spaces, SAVING&CONVENIENT Great for storage documents, files, literature, books, magazines, notebooks, mails, letters, or other supplies in home, office, or school. Intimate protection, this stand is made of MDF with edges. Protection.Nonslip rubber feet reduce movement and protect your work surface from scratches and scuffs. Easy assembly, easy assemble and maintain. All accessories is included. Finished dimensions is 15.7 11.8 8.7 lxwxh. Weight capacity for shelf 33/11 pounds. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.